Well, as far as the tanker mafia allegation is concerned, the BJP continues to raise the issue, saying that there is a falsehood that has now been created of water scarcity in Delhi by the AAP Sarkar.
शराब और शराब के बाद पानी का भी घोटाला कर दिया। ये है असली आम आदमी पार्टी का चेहरा और इसके चलते अधिकतम पानी बर्बाद हो जाता है और फिर पानी की शॉर्टेज करवाकर पानी कम सप्लाई करके दिल्ली की जनता को टैंकर माफिया को सशक्त किया जाता है, उनको संरक्षण दिया जाता है कि जो पानी हरियाणा से आ रहा है, अलग अलग जगहों से आ रहा है, वाटर टैंकर माफिया दिन दहाड़े आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं के संरक्षण में उस पानी को चुरा लेता है और फिर जो सबसे ज्यादा बोली लगाता है, हजारों हजार रुपए कुछ लीटर पानी के लिए, उसको वो पानी दिया जाता है और आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता पैसा कमाते हैं।
Sabyasachi is with us. Sabyasachi, this is what the BJP has been raising the issue, saying that there is a falsehood that has been created that there is water crisis in Delhi. The tanker mafia is being shielded by the AAP Sarkar.
Well, absolutely. See, the BJP has been levelling charges against the Aam Aadmi Party for working in hands with the tanker mafia. The BJP says that the water scarcity problem here in the national capital is not there because the water is being provided by the state of Haryana. See, at this particular time, the BJP says that the Aam Aadmi Party has been working with the tanker mafia, and that is the reason why the water is not reaching to the people of the national capital. In the pictures, we're clearly seeing that very long queues for the tankers. People have to face on one hand the severe heat condition that is prevailing in the national capital, and on the other hand they also have to fight to get some drinking water. See, the water which is being reaching at the residents here of the national capital, the water is not of drinking quality. The quality of the water is extremely poor, and also the tanker which is reaching to the localities to provide drinking water has not been reaching on time. There is no proper schedule of the tankers that at this particular time the tanker would be reaching. The people have been struggling to get even proper drinking water at this particular time. But we are seeing that the Aam Aadmi Party have been blaming the Haryana government and the Himachal government for not releasing water. Meanwhile, the entire focus has been shifted to the legal battle which is going on, and all eyes will be on the Upper Yamuna board who is likely to take some key important decisions regarding the entire water crisis saga that is going on.
Right, but even when it comes to the matter that was also taken up in the court, let me take that question to Mr. Akashdeep Muni. Akashdeep Muni, sir, good morning to you. Severe heat wave plus power cuts, now also water crisis. The people of Delhi are at bearing, and they are at the end of it, because now even comes to the situation, the Congress party is also holding protests, sir. What do you have to say?
No. I totally disagree with you. There has been only one power cut, which because of which the Minister Atishi tweeted regarding it. There has been a number of power cuts in Lucknow. You kindly go there as well. You'll be finding that on the election day as well, there was 10 hours power cuts, and there was no minister worried. Coming back to the water thing, the water tankers which you were talking about, I want to tell it to you, and I've told it in your channel as well previously, that the water tankers there has been letters written in the month of March, April and June to Honorable LG, to the Chief Secretary, CC to LG, that there has been a number of water mafia working, because last year on January 2023, 1100 cubic of water was being provided by water tankers. This year it was brought down to 888 in the same month, January 2024. So the water minister wrote to the chief secretary that why it has come down. It should be increasing the government water providing system. As the government water providing system comes down, the water tanker mafia gets in and chips in the remaining water, like the remaining 200 cubics of water is
well, allegation is that the tanker mafia is being shielded by the AAP Sarkar, and there is a falsehood of scarcity that has now been, the picture that is going out. Let me take that question to Mr. Harish Khurana, also of the BJP. Sir, the Aam Aadmi Party says that it is when it comes to Haryana which has been stopping the fair share of water that the people of Delhi require.
See, as usual, in every crisis, Aam Aadmi Party is in a habit of passing on the buck to another one. They are in a habit of topic transfer, you know. I mean, in Haryana government, the Supreme Court has clearly indicated that in the Supreme Court, it has been clearly indicated that 1,013 mgt water is the share which Haryana used to give to Delhi, but they are giving 1,050, which is excess to what their quota is. But my submission is, this crisis is a man-made crisis because 52% of the water is either being stolen or being leakaged or unaccounted. There's a huge amount of water which is this. The tanker mafia is last 10 years is in Delhi is prevailing like anything. They have, I mean, my only point, and which Supreme Court has also indicated, you are getting the water from the water mafias, tankers, but not through pipelines. What is the reason behind it? This is not my
well, let me take that question back to Mr. Muni, because Mr. Muni, the reactions that are coming in from the people of Delhi as well, that the water that is coming to them is also not fit for consumption.
See, the one thing I want to tell it to you, that now the BJP spokesperson, what he was saying, 1,050 cusecs of water is given by Haryana. The Honorable LG in his press conference said, and he also released it to the press, you can read it, that Haryana is providing 2,200. So is the BJP spokesperson is lying, or the Honorable LG is lying? Who is lying?
Mr. Khurana?
My only point is, you can get a water from water tanker, yes or no? Tell me. I mean, you can buy any amount of water through tankers anywhere in the Delhi. Go to Sangam, you go to Kita Colony. You don't know what the ground reality is. Today, you are getting the water from the water tankers. Why? Because these are nexus between Aam Aadmi Party and
well, interestingly, Mr. Khurana and Mr. Muni, the pictures that are now coming in are after Matka Fort protest that is being done on part of the Congress Party, because here the Congress Party in Delhi is also protesting against the Aam Aadmi Party. Well, as far as the tanker mafia allegation is concerned, the BJP continues to raise the issue, saying that there is a falsehood that is now being created of water scarcity in Delhi by the AAP Sarkar.
शराब और शराब के बाद पानी का भी घोटाला कर दिया, ये है असली आम आदमी पार्टी का चेहरा। और इसके चलते अधिकतम पानी बर्बाद हो जाता है और फिर पानी की शॉर्टेज करवाकर पानी कम सप्लाई करके दिल्ली की जनता को, टैंकर माफिया को सशक्त किया जाता है। उनको संरक्षण दिया जाता है कि जो पानी हरियाणा से आ रहा है, अलग अलग जगहों से आ रहा है, वाटर टैंकर माफिया दिन दहाड़े आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं के संरक्षण में उस पानी को चुरा लेता है और फिर जो सबसे ज्यादा बोली लगाता है, हजारों हजार रुपए कुछ लीटर पानी के लिए, उसको वो पानी दिया जाता है और आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता पैसा कमाते हैं।